Hi, I'm Anna, and I'm gonna teach you how to add branding to your Mapify app and share it. First, you need to visit the Apps tab in your Mapify console. Start by creating a new app. Select the map and add a name to your app. Once you save it, you have a default Mapify app with no customized branding and a limited set of controls. No headers, no layers list, no search bar, or customized colors. Going back to the look and feel of our app, we can set up a customized icon, cover image, and header image. You're also able to select a primary color and a secondary color. Make sure to tick the application header box so your customized header shows up when you export the app. After saving the app, the changes are immediate. Let's explore our world population branded app. The header is now visible and matches what we uploaded. The app controls themselves are now rendered with a white background and green highlights. We can go further and add more controls to our Mapify app, such as layers list, language selector, Google search bar, points of interest, and the possibility to identify features on the map. It's also possible to change the base maps available to the user and their order. Here's what our app looks like now. These are our layers, which we can make them visible or hidden accordingly. Let's make Google points of interest visible in our app. It's as easy as just toggling them on or off. As mentioned, we're now able to search points of interest as well. If you click on a feature on the map, it displays a small pop-up window with all the relevant details. Last but not least, we're going to share our map, making it accessible through a simple URL. There are two privacy settings for your app, either private or public. A private app is only accessible to the users of your Mapify account. A Mapify app can also be embedded in a website or a blog using the embed code, which, yet again, is customizable. Define your zoom levels and add whitelisted domains. For example, www.example.org. Then our app will run only in this domain. Or simply use example.org and all its subdomains will be allowed. If you decide to go public with your app, remember, Mapify requires you to provide your own Google Maps key.